Welcome to Dewis Cymru. Dewis Cymru is a website that aims to help people with their well-being. It's the place to go for people who want information or advice about well-being. In this video, we are going to show you how to register an account on Dewis Cymru. To add information about your service or resource, you must register first. The account information you register with is not visible to the public. Now to register, please click Sign Up from the home page. When you click Sign Up, it will take you to the Create a New Account page where you will need to complete some basic details. If you need help at any point, please click on the Help icon for more information. There are some questions that you must complete. These are indicated by the asterisk sign. Firstly, start by typing in your display name. This will be the name displayed in the system when you are signed into the site. Please use your name or your first name, initial and surname. Next, you will need to add an email address. This should be the email address that you want the site to use to communicate with you. As part of registration, the site will send an email to this address to activate your account. You will then need to use this email address to sign in. If you'd like more than one person to access this account, then we suggest you use a generic email address so that others have sight of any notifications sent from the Dewis Cymru team. For example, enquiries@hotmail.com or info@data.wales. Now re-enter your email address. If the email addresses don't match, the system will not let you create an account. You'll receive an error message letting you know that the emails don't match. You now need to enter a password. Passwords must be a minimum of 7 characters long. For example, data unit 123 will work, but data 1 will fail. Now re-enter your password. If your passwords don't match, the system will not let you create an account. You'll receive an error message letting you know that the passwords don't match. Now enter your first name. Now enter your last name. The system asks you to choose which local authority area you are based in. This is your office or work location. Click on the drop-down arrow to choose a local authority. If you're a national organisation, then please choose the local authority area that your office or work is based. You're nearly there. Before you can create an account, the system will ask you to tick the box. This is so that the system knows you're a human and not a robot. Sometimes the system may require you to select from a series of images as part of this process. Before you click Verify, please make sure you've selected the relevant images, otherwise your sign-in will fail. You will automatically be signed up to receive the Dewis Cymru newsletter, which is usually produced every 2 or 3 months. The newsletter allows you to keep up to date with Dewis Cymru developments. If you do not wish to receive the Dewis Cymru newsletter, then please untick the box. Now you are ready to create your account. Click Create Account at the bottom of the page. The system will send you an email notification to the email address you have just registered with. You will need to activate your account in order to sign in. Please check your junk mail if you haven't received your activation email, as some accounts like Hotmail and Gmail will sometimes assume it is junk. If you've checked your junk mail and there is no activation email, then please contact us. If you need help and support, please get in touch by using the Contact Us tab on the home page. A member of the Dewis Cymru team will be in contact. There is also comprehensive guidance available on the website. Click on About Dewis and How do I add my information to Dewis Cymru.